Hello, guys, and welcome back to Runda. It is always such a breath of fresh air every single time that I get to come to this property. This was one of the properties where I got to learn what fine urban construction and interiors was all about. I learned about the high quality materials that they were so intent on using, the high quality finishes, and quality workmanship. It has been 2 years down the line, and this is the perfect time to come back and show you guys, and for you guys to be able to analyze. Are the paints chipping away? Do the light fixtures still work? Are the tiles falling apart? Is the cabro really gritty and dirty? So we're going to take a tour through this beautiful property and look at all the details that we put in and make sure that they're still holding up. The exterior looks spick and span, so let's take a look at the interior. Wow, this looks good as new. Immediately, I have to appreciate how well the fabrics are doing as well. Keep in mind, this is a house that has been lived in. For a pink seat like this to still look this brand new is absolutely miraculous. Really clean, really glossy. That is why we use these high quality paints, because you avoid that transfer of dirt to any surfaces, and even if you have it, so easy to clean. These are as comfy as ever. Nothing has hardened. It still feels very high quality, very well maintained as well. Incredible, incredible. It almost feels like that last day I was here when we were putting in the finishing touches. Still feels brand new. The clients are still trying to add in their own bits and bobs. I've mentioned before how we leave some spaces for the client to fill in, and I'm sure as they journey, they will eventually fill up this entire space. I remember this being my favorite section. The textures, the colors, the warmth, perfect. And as I said before, it still feels so brand new, even though I know that this house has been well loved. It just adds so much warmth into this room. Let's take a look at the dining area. So adorable. I always loved these pieces. It's just such an excellent transition from one space to another. How satisfying is that? Ah, excellent. Speaking of fabrics, the curtains were quite a tricky thing for this house, but the final product is still proving to have been the perfect choice. Of course, we have the pièce de résistance of this entire space, and that is this magnificent wall. So beautiful, so perfect for this space. I'm glad to see that these little guys are thriving in this aquarium. Another well done bit that we did in this house. Let's keep going. Are you guys ready to see upstairs? This staircase is a prime example of the workmanship that went into this property. Just by looking at this handrail, it's not faded, it still works so well. The carpet is perfect. Incredible, that's all I can say. Absolutely incredible. I have to say, I do enjoy the view from the top. This space could have gone so wrong so quickly, but with all the work that we've done here, all the materials we chose, the colors, the workmanship, was just the perfect touch to complete a wall that could have just been bland. picture is worth 1,000 words, but being able to come back here and bear witness to how well everything has held up, from the tiling to the countertops to the fabrics, there is nothing that could speak louder than experiencing these things in person. And I have to say that everything that Fine Urban told me that they were going to do since day one of me working with this company is actually true to the end. This is 2 years down the line, and everything actually looks as perfect as the way we left it.